Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get started on Webull. First, download the Webull application from your device's app store. You'll then register for a new account using your email or phone number. Next, complete the identity verification process, which typically takes a few minutes. Finally, link your bank account to enable easy funding and withdrawals, setting you up for trading success. Once your account is set up, it's time to fund it. You can initiate a deposit directly from your linked bank account. Webull offers two primary methods: ACH transfers or wire transfers. ACH transfers are common, but typically take about 5 business days to fully clear. For faster access to your funds, consider a wire transfer, which often clears within 1 business day. Now that your account is funded, take some time to explore the Webull platform. Familiarize yourself with its intuitive interface and discover the various investment options available, such as stocks and exchange-traded funds. Utilize the robust research tools and real-time market data to inform your decisions. Don't forget to set up watch lists to easily monitor your preferred assets. You're ready to make your first trade? Begin by searching for the specific stock or exchange-traded fund you wish to buy. Next, select your desired order type. A market order executes immediately, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price. Enter the number of shares you intend to purchase, then carefully review and confirm your trade before final execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.